Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna do a follow-up of the previous video I made on the brother PJ763MFI, because there was a lot of questions in the comment section about the printer. Some people are saying that the printer is jamming, if I have any solution for that. There were people asking me if it uses ink or no, it uses no ink. I have no battery inside, I always keep it plugged in. There's no use for a battery. The battery is too expensive anyway. And let's begin with the apps that I'm using with it, because I think these apps are essential if you have a printer like this, or if you're thinking of buying one. So, the main app I use with it is the Tattoo stencil app. It's just for making your stencils, it's easier. You don't have to draw, in Procreate every line and so on. The other one I'm using, it's called Pencil Sketch Pro. This one I use only when I have tattoo designs that they really don't work with the stencil app. They're just too busy. Let's find the tattoo design on Pinterest, animal portrait, let's say. So we have a tiger. Instead of staying there and drawing every lines, in Procreate and then printing it, sometimes it's good to do that if the design is way too busy. But for something like this, I always use the tattoo stencil app. Let's see if it works. If this doesn't work, we can use the other app. So we have this one. Boom. Easy. And this I can use, it's not too busy for me. It's perfect. You can make less details, but I think like this is it's okay. You can download it. Or let's try the Pencil Sketch app to see how it looks. I always try. It's either this one or the other one. Look, this one I think it's much better than the other one. So sometimes this app works better than the tattoo stencil apps. What I've experienced with these apps is that mainly for portraits, the tattoo stencil app works better than the Pencil Sketch one. Should we try this one? It's quite busy, but let's try it. So I'm doing absolutely nothing to the images. Sometimes I use look at this. You don't need more than this. Very easy. Let's try the Pencil Sketch Pro as well. Oh. I can work with this as well, but let's make a comparison. So this is with the Pencil Sketch Pro, and this is with the Tattoo Stencil app. They both work, but for me, this one is better. I can use this one much better than the other one. Okay, let's find another one. Let's look for a portrait. Or with the neo-traditional ones, it works the best. I mean, the Pencil Sketch Pro app, this one works the best with the neo-traditional designs. I mean, look at this. You can make it darker or lighter, but I think like this is gonna work for me fine. I mean, it's perfect for neo-traditional. Works the best with this app. Okay. For designs like this, you can print them straight away. So the printer doesn't print shadows. That's why maybe with the jamming, because some people saying that the printer is jamming when they're printing. If you try to print the photo directly as it is, 100% is gonna jam because there's too many details. But if you take this picture and go in Pencil Sketch Pro with it and use it there, I mean, look at this. It cleans it up. It's great. It's perfect. And now you can easily print it. The printer's not gonna jam now. But if you try to print it like this, 100% is gonna jam because there's too many shadows, and the printer is gonna catch on the paper because it prints with heat. Remember, and it's gonna hit the bottom layer of the stencil paper. Okay, so is the Tattoo Stencil app, Pencil Sketch Pro, and Procreate. In Procreate, I make my designs, then I take them to the Tattoo Stencil app or the Pencil Sketch Pro app to make them like I've showed you. Yeah. Now let's print the designs that I've just shown you. Take the yellow paper off. Take the protective layer, the onion layer. Make sure it's aligned well. Okay, now so we have this one. I'm not going to print the full page. I'm going to make it maybe like this, smaller. So if you're not using the whole page, make sure you print at the bottom. This is going to be the bottom of the page. Yeah. Let's print. And then we're going to print at the top. We're going to do another design, another. Okay, as you can see, the whole details that were in the face, the small details, the printer has a hard time seeing them. But this design is good. If it has a hard time seeing them, yeah, you can go in your Photos app, press edit and put the brilliance 100%. That's gonna make it a bit darker so the printer can see it better. The printer always prints in reverse, in mirror, yeah? So you have to make sure you flip your design if you want it the other way around. Okay, let's print the same one again. This one. Okay, I'm gonna print it on the other side. This should be printed much better. I think it's gonna overlap the other one, but that's fine, that's alright. Now it's a bit darker, if you guys can see. You can, I mean, I can work with this easily, there's no problem. Let's try another one. Okay. Here, put the brilliance 100%. So it's getting a bit darker. And this one again, brilliance clearance 100%. We're gonna print both of them so we can see the difference. Remember, it's gonna print in reverse, yeah? I'll make it smaller over here at the top so we can have space for both of them. Okay, this is one. Okay, if anything like this happens, you can take a lint roll, and I don't have one with me here, but I can, or you can use some tape. Lint roll works better, but you can take some tape on top of it, and you can clean it up. This is what works for me. And the other one as well, next to it, so you can see the difference. Hit print. Yeah. Yeah, so this one is much better. I hope this video answers a few questions about the printer. So yeah, it doesn't need a battery if you keep it plugged in. It works via Bluetooth through the app. iPrint and Scan is that the printer works. I use Procreate, Tattoo Stencil and Pencil Sketch Pro to make all my stencil designs. Sometimes I do have to do an outline in Procreate because some designs don't work with the apps that I've just shown you. If your printer jams, make sure you take some details out from the stencil. Don't print large patches of black. That's when the printer may jam. Okay guys, if you have any more questions, I can answer them in the comment section. Please feel free to ask anything. I'm gonna answer every single question. Hopefully this video was helpful to some of you guys. I had this printer for 2 years now, maybe more than 2 years. I had absolutely no problem with it. I think if you clean it from time to time, the printer is gonna last for 20 years maybe, or maybe for the whole life. I mean, it has nothing on it that can break. I don't see how it can break. Alright guys, so please subscribe to the channel. Please give a like because it helps me. It helps the YouTube algorithm, you know, and it keeps me motivated to make more videos for you guys. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next time.